Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. And today I have a little surprise for you. We are going to do a little routine with these little babies. In case you don't have a Gua Sha, a Jade Roller, don't worry, because honestly, you already have the best beauty tools at home. It's either your hands, or you might go into the kitchen and find some regular spoons, which we will use today. Just make sure the spoons are clean, your face and hands are clean, and your face is sufficiently moisturized, either with a facial oil or with a moisturizer, to have enough slip and do not tug or pull the skin. You can just follow along and we can start right away. So, let's go!
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Thank you so much for joining me on this little routine, and I hope you had fun. I hope you feel relaxed, and just know, as I mentioned before, this enhanced lymphatic drainage and blood circulation. But if you also want to strengthen the muscles and also gain control over your facial movements, try also some facial exercises. And the best way to start is literally the program at allyoucanface.com. So have a look in my description below, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then,